Cassie Churchill with BraunAbility, and I would like to introduce you to our all-new 2021 BraunAbility Toyota Sienna Hybrid. I know you've been anxiously anticipating this game-changing vehicle, which will arrive on your dealer location lots later this summer. But first, let me give you a preview of this impressive vehicle, our first ever hybrid conversion. First, let's talk about why BraunAbility is so excited to partner with Toyota on our first ever hybrid conversion. Toyota has been a customer favorite for many reasons, but the top of that list is quality and dependability. Our engineers focused on those same elements when designing our latest conversion. We carry the integrity of Toyota craftsmanship across every aspect of our conversion by using Tier 1 components from the same suppliers that Toyota depend on for their supreme product. This guarantees the same driving experience in our BraunAbility Toyota as you would expect if you drove an unconverted Sienna off the lot. Let's talk about our BraunAbility conversion. We're excited to launch this 2021 Toyota Sienna with a side entry conversion and our industry best fold-out ramp. Our tried and true fold-out ramp design allows the ramp to easily deploy onto curbs or uneven surfaces and can easily be pushed out should the vehicle lose power. It's rated at an industry best 1,000 pound capacity and made of aluminum, which is guaranteed not to rust. We know that door opening space is critical. That's why our engineers designed this vehicle to maximize that space by extending the door opening to accommodate our ramp width, ensuring effortless entry and exit. Consumer Reports calls the 2021 Sienna cavernous, and our BraunAbility conversion maintains all that interior cabin space and more. In fact, it has the same space as our previous Sienna model. This ensures easy maneuverability even for larger power wheelchair users. Let's talk a little bit more about the impressive interior of this Sienna. Toyota engineered the 2021 Sienna to be the ultimate in comfort and convenience, and BraunAbility has retained it all. Let's start with the center console. With a relocated shifter, it maximizes space for that wheelchair user who drives. Plus, multiple charging ports, cubby spaces, and 2 additional cup holders up front for your convenience. We even maintain the wireless charging station on the dash if you have a package that includes that feature. Our seats are your favorite easy-to-remove step-and-roll design. And we've also added OEM armrest to ensure comfort for both front row driver and passenger. We've also maintained those heated and ventilated features, even when the seats are removed. The rear seats are removable, ideal for storing extra equipment because you can never have too much space in a vehicle. And we re-engineered the footrest under the rear seat with a rotating hinge design that's very simple to use. The 2021 Sienna also comes with a few perks that we think you'll love. Infotainment touchscreen, ultra comfortable seating, those charging points at nearly every surface, a total of 7 USB ports, Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, keyless, remote entry, and standard push-button start, plus plenty of cup holders and storage cubbies. BraunAbility is excited to offer our most fuel-efficient wheelchair-accessible vehicle ever, with a 36 miles per gallon across the board, both city and highway. This hybrid technology features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and 2 electric motors that combined offers 243 horsepower. You'll also notice an electronically controlled continuously variable automatic transmission, offering smooth and controlled acceleration. We hope you enjoyed this sneak peek at our 2021 BraunAbility Toyota Sienna Hybrid. Sure to be a customer favorite. Please sign up for BraunAbility emails and watch our social media for the latest updates on when this game-changing vehicle will be available near you. Thank you.